got a mess to clean up. I need to do my family room and my living room. I need to put all this stuff up. Let's get to it. Okay, see, I need to put up all this stuff. Still haven't put up all this stuff yet. I need to clean out that table. I need to come in here and clean out this shelf. Oh my God, I haven't cleaned it. I try to straighten this up every couple months, but it's been a while since I did this. I need to fix all that stuff up there. I need to fix all this stuff. It is a mess. Look at that. Look at it. It's a mess. So, yeah, I'm finna get to it, you guys. See you in a minute. Okay, yeah, let's get started. I'm gonna take all this stuff over here, put it on the table, and clean it up. Let's get to it.
Like you my fucking mama, don't talk to me like that, man. Give me my respect, man. I understand if I'm a bum ass nigga and I sit there at home and do nothing while you work, you cook, you clean, and I just sit there and play the motherfucking game all day. I don't
deal with already with your baby mamas. Why would I have?
Said I do what I said. Before I cheat on you, I would never cheat on you. I would leave your ass. I ain't gotta cheat on you. I'm not gonna bring somebody else into a toxic relationship and then now I got all this beef going on, all this drama going on. Like, fam, I
Why the fuck you want to call me? You see on motherfucking. That I was on the phone. He was mad that I didn't go in the living room. That's why. But instead of
you. The truth ain't always pretty, D-Money, and that's what you gotta. Get cheated on, they get their ass beat, niggas stealing from them, niggas. It took a lot for me to get there to say that. So you have to understand that. But again, don't throw rocks and hide your hand. If you don't want it done to you, don't do it to me. You gotta treat people right. You want to be treated. So if you don't want it done to you, don't do it to other people. Because you got some people that will fight back, bro. You gotta keep that in mind. If you don't want that smoke, don't start the fire. Don't do that. Don't do that.
I didn't expect you to say
I didn't expect you to say a lot either, you know. Anyway, I apologize for talking to your mama even though you felt like because you felt I went behind your back, and that wasn't to go.
Okay, you guys, this is all I got done. I cleaned this out, straighten up all this mess right here, and straighten up all over there. And then I put all the stuff that I done bought up there, straighten that up, and down there. That's what I done did. I gotta take a break And yeah, this is all I did so far. I don't know if you guys really see that, but yeah, this is it so far. All I done did, I gotta finish, and I'll make that another part because I am tired. This took a lot of work. I guess I need to stay out the stores for a while. I don't know. I'll see. Got birthdays coming and all this mess, so we'll see. Yeah. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Till next time. I will see you guys later. I have flunked this, my baby. I don't know what grade he was when he did this. About this. So cute when you find stuff that your kids do when they was younger. Yeah, that's it. Bye, you guys.